Hello friends and welcome back to my channel Beauty of Language and Literature. Do not forget to like, subscribe and comment. So this time I won't be asking you the few quick questions because I'll be doing it taking all the 4 scenes of Act 2 together. Now without doing much delay, let's move on to the explanation of Act 2 Scene 2. In this scene, a new character gets introduced in the play, and that is Lancelot Gobbo. He is the servant of Shylock. Lancelot Gobbo struggles to decide whether or not to leave his master. A part of him, which he calls Fiend, wants to live, whereas his conscience reminds him of his honest nature and urges him to stay. Lancelot Gobbo does not have any particular complaints from his master, but he is troubled by the fact that his master is Jewish, which he calls him a kind of devil. And when he finally decides to run away, at that moment an old man appears on the scene, and that is old Gobbo, Lancelot's father. The old man is blind and he asks how to go to Shylock's house. Lancelot finds out that the old man fails to recognize him, so he plans to play a prank with him. He tells Lancelot confusing directions to Shylock's house and also reports to him that Lancelot is dead. After a while, when Lancelot reveals the deception, the old Gobbo does not believe on his identity, but then he convinces his father that yes, he is only his son Lancelot. And then Lancelot confesses to his father that he is planning to leave his master Shylock and he hopes to serve Bassanio. And at this point, Bassanio enters and the two pleads to him to keep him as his servant. Bassanio takes a while to understand the propositions they put towards him, and then finally he accepts the offer. Bassanio then meets Gratiano on the way and asks him to accompany to Belmont. Gratiano agrees, but Bassanio puts forward a condition that he will tame his characteristically wild behavior. Gratiano assures him that yes, I will be on my best of the behavior, and he agrees to go with him. So the two men plan a night of merriment before they leave to Belmont. So this is where the Act 2 Scene 2 ends. Now, let us look into the detailed analysis of the scene. The scene between the Gobbos is a typical of Shakespeare, where he frequently includes servants or the members of the working class to provide slapstick interludes in both his comedies and tragedies. Seen in this light, we might forgive things which might otherwise seem cruel to us, like Lancelot's treatment with his blind and doting father. Now, the laughs which is derived from the scene is not from the quick wit, but from utter confusion and foolery. So this scene has got nothing much in it. This is the shortest scene in the play. So that was it. So stay tuned to find out whether or not Lancelot is able to leave Shylock and what happens when Bassanio arrives at Belmont with Gratiano. That's it. This is Beauty Bharadwaj. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.